This indicator is literally a cheat code for trading. This thing is freaking ridiculous. What is goody, my people? We are back again with another gem. Listen, today I'm about to be sharing with you guys an indicator that could literally change your trading like that. This indicator is absolutely freaking amazing. It has helped me tremendously. It's helped a bunch of other people tremendously. So I'm about to dive into the indicator. I'm going to show you guys what exactly it is, how you guys can use it, how it can be beneficial to you, and how you can use it to make some freaking money, baby. So if you're excited for this video, smash the freaking like button. And without further ado, let's hop right into this. All right, so quick disclaimer, this is indeed my indicator. I made it, well, I didn't actually code it. I had a coder make it, but I made all the parameters for it. I literally took a bunch of different indications that I look for personally before I hop into a trade, and I put it all into one indicator that will basically give you extra confluence, super confidence when you're hopping into trades. Now, I've tested this indicator for the past 2.5 months. My students have had access to it for almost a month now, which is absolutely amazing. They freaking loved it. I'll put some screenshots up on the screen right now so you guys can see what other people are saying about the freaking indicator. It is golden arrow. That's what it's called. The golden arrow indicator has been absolutely freaking killing the game, but I did want to give a disclaimer and say that this is my indicator. I did make it. If you guys want it, there will be a link for it inside the description down below. And I'll also, actually, just because I'm nice, I'm gonna leave a 25% off code down there too, so y'all can get it for 25% off, just because I'm nice. You know what I'm saying? But I didn't want y'all going out getting the indicator and thinking it wasn't me and feeling like I was scamming y'all or something. So I wanted to be completely transparent. This is my indicator, and now I'm about to tell y'all why it's freaking amazing. Let's hop into the charts. All right, so boom, here we are on the charts right now. This is gold. I'm going to break down exactly how the indicator works, how you can use it, how I've used it. These are actual trades that I took using the indicator. I'm going to break down exactly how I use it, how you guys can use it as well. So yeah, let's hop right into it. So this is gold. Keep in mind this indicator will work on basically any pair. I've tested it with Forex pairs, indices, cryptocurrencies. I have a couple students that trade it for stocks, options, all that stuff. So it has been working very universally across a whole bunch of different currencies, which is absolutely amazing. But basically what it is an extra confluence. So you see we have these golden up arrows and the golden down arrows. This is in confluence. Every time you see an arrow pop up, that's not when I hop into a trade. When I see it pop up, when it's along with my strategy, along with my setups, I'm super, super, super confident in that trade. It gives me that extreme, that over the edge confidence, I should say, because you should never be really too confident in your trades, because ultimately you can always lose. This is not 100% guaranteed to win. Nothing like that. I'm not going to claim it is, but it just gives much more confluence. It adds to the confluence of your trades. It'll help you stop getting faked out. It'll help you stop getting fake reversals. It'll help you miss out on trades that are not going to hit ultimately. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm gonna break down exactly how it works. So I told you guys we have the down arrow, we have the up arrows, all that stuff, right? So right here, this is one of the strategies that I actually used. I didn't even use the golden arrow for this trade right here. I used it for this trade today, actually, on gold. And this is all this was a reverse trend line break. So we saw price was kind of trending in a downward fashion. Then we see price over here kind of having a trend to the upside. We had it touch right here, came up here, touch down here, touched again, touch right here. So I drew my line and I was waiting for price to break out of this trend line that it had made. It started to break out right here on this candlestick. It did not actually end up closing outside of it, but then I got this candlestick right here that closed outside of the trend line, as well as I got my golden arrow. So I was extremely confident in the trade. I hopped in the trade right here. I put my stop loss above the breakout and I went for the lows, and the trade obviously hit for a nice 4.2 to 1 risk to reward ratio. Now, this wasn't even the trade I wanted to talk about. There are multiple trades here, as you see. I have another one right here, which I took completely off of the indicator as well. It popped out of our squeeze strategy. If you guys have my profitable strategies course, this is one of the strategies in here that literally works amazing for gold. I was just talking to one of my students about this. Like, the squeeze strategy on gold is just muy bien. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know I hate gold, but sometimes gold treats me good with the squeeze strategy. If y'all want to learn my strategy, if you want to learn how to trade, how I trade, if you want to learn all the basics of Forex, whatever it is, you know what I'm saying, there's always a link for it inside the description. Also up there, Gemify Academy. I have it on my wall now, which is dope. But I'll leave a link for my academy in the description down below so you can learn all the strategies. You can learn how to trade exactly like I trade. But let's hop into this nice, beautiful trade right here. Now, I told you guys this indicator is great for confluences. It's also great for adding positions. And this is what I've been doing recently with all of my trades. When I get the golden arrow indicator, I was waiting for a break of this zone right here. Let's go to replay so we can see this in live action. Keep in mind, the indicator pops up in live action. This is not a lagging indicator. If you guys know that there's indicators where it'll pop up 10 years later, you know what I'm saying? This is not like that. It pops up real life in action as price is being made, so you can have it right then and there. So all I was waiting for price to do was break this low right here on this gold line right here. And once I got this break with my golden arrow, I ended up hopping right into the trade right here. This is my actual entry. I put my stop loss right up here, and I targeted the lows. I targeted these lows down here because I didn't want to risk it going all the way down here, just because I don't know. I was comfortable with it coming to this zone right here. So that's why I put my take profit right there, and it was still a 3.6 to 1 risk to reward ratio, which is absolutely beautiful. But as price went along, we had some retracements. I got another golden arrow, and I ended up putting another position in here. I ended up putting a smaller position in here to add onto my main position right here that I got on my first entry. The reason I did that is because if you guys know price trends, right? When price doesn't just go straight down, right? Price goes, price will go down, then up a little bit, down, up a little bit, down, up a little bit. And the golden arrow helps you to be able to catch, how I've been using it personally, I should say, it helps me be able to catch more entries to therefore profit more. So once I got this additional golden arrow, I ended up hopping in another position here. Price ended up dropping. I got another arrow here. I didn't end up hopping in this extra position here just because price had dropped too much and it was already kind of close to my take profit. So I was comfortable with just having my two positions here. But if I did hop into it, obviously I could have made more money, but it ended up hitting absolutely perfectly. Again, I had another trade that exact same day later. Gold had ended up making another squeeze. Now, like I told you guys before, you guys might see this golden arrow pointing down right here. And you're like, why didn't I enter into here? I'm not just hopping into trades as soon as I see a golden arrow. It's in confluence with my strategy. If your strategy is breakouts, you're not just randomly hopping into a trade because you see a golden arrow. If it's breaking out and that candlestick that's breaking out has the golden arrow, higher probability trade, you hop in the trade. That's how I personally use it. So this candlestick was just in my range. So I ignored this golden arrow. But I got a golden arrow where it came out of my squeeze. It broke out of my squeeze. That's when I hopped into the trade. Price ended up coming down. And ultimately, I didn't end up adding extra positions here, but I could have. But ultimately, ended up hitting my take profit. But I have other examples. Literally, I've been doing this. Gold has been trading me pretty well. I'm not going to lie to you. As we see, we was able to catch this breakout right here on this candlestick. If we had just, this is a perfect example, actually. We had this breakout right here, right? We had this line. We drew this line. We were waiting for a breakout of this zone. Price came above it, broke out of it one time, ended up reversing. We would have lost that trade. Price came, broke out of it again right here, ended up reversing. We would have lost that trade. We never got a golden arrow. Keep in mind. Now, price came up again. It didn't break it, but we came up again. It broke it with the golden arrow. So that's when I was confident enough to hop into the trade. And right after I hopped into the trade, price skyrocketed up and hit our take profit absolutely beautifully. So that's another perfect example of how it stops you from getting falsely broken out. This is an extra confluence indicator. This is not just something where as soon as you see the golden arrow, you hop into the trade. This is not going to make you a perfect trader. I want to put that out there. This is not for that. You know what I'm saying? This is an extra confluence in your trade setups to help you not take those false breakouts, not take those false reversals. I've showed you guys a bunch of breakout strategies, but it works the same on like support and resistance, right? So imagine I don't think I traded support and resistance on gold this week at all, actually. So I don't think I have any examples. But let's imagine we have a support zone right here, right? Or a resistance zone right here. And we see price coming up. It comes on here. Let's say we get a reversal off of it, but no golden arrow. That could indicate that price might come and either retest again or it's going to break through this zone. Versus if we got price that came up here and then we got a reversal candle that came down with the golden arrow pointing down, then I'll feel confident hopping in a trade there. So the golden arrow works for honestly, how I use it, breakouts, reversals, support and resistance bounces. That's personally how I use it. I love it on the 5-minute time frame. It works on any time frame, literally any time frame, but I personally love it on the 5-minute time frame and the 15-minute time frame. The 1-minute time frame could be a little bit too much going on. So I personally like it on the 5-minute and the 15-minute. So that is basically how the indicator works. It gives you extra confluence. This is not, and I have to repeat this, this is not an indicator where as soon as you see the freaking buy and sell signal, you hop into a buy and sell. This is an extra confluence that will make you much more confident in the trades when you're taking it, and it'll also help you to miss out on trades that are not for you, which is absolutely amazing. It saves people a lot of money. It makes people a lot more money as well. Like I told y'all, if y'all saw in the beginning of the video, I put up screenshots so y'all can see how my students have been using it because they had early access to it, and they've been freaking loving it. It's been absolutely amazing that I've been able to create something that's genuinely helping people. So like I said, if y'all want to get it, I'll drop a link for it inside the description down below. If y'all have any questions, drop it in the comment section down below. I'll try and answer them as much as possible. But this is a super, super, super amazing tool to have inside of your toolbox when it comes to trading. It'll help you miss out on trades that are not for you and feel confident on the trades that are for you. But anyways, that is the end of the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you smash the freaking like button. I literally have been so excited to share this with you guys, but I just haven't done it. You know what I'm saying? Because I didn't want people being like, oh, you're trying to sell an indicator, blah, blah, you're trying to make money. That's why I literally only released it for my students at first. But then I'm like, let me just show my YouTube people. The world needs to know about this because this has been helping not even just my students, but me amazingly, which is, it's even though I freaking made it, it's still helping me because I can visually see all these things align with my strategy. It helps me stick to my strategy with my entries, with not entering trades. It just holds me accountable. And I personally just loved it. So that's why I really wanted to share it with y'all. Y'all know I always put y'all on game. I always try and help y'all with y'all trading in any way possible. But yeah. If y'all enjoyed the video, smash the like button. I'll truly appreciate it. Subscribe. We're going up. We've gained like freaking 20,000 subscribers in the past 2 weeks, which is absolutely amazing. I don't know how y'all do this. I just thank God every day. I thank y'all for all the support. If y'all want to follow me on Instagram, which I highly suggest you do, over there, I don't freaking know, @Joovier_. I'm the one with the blue check. Don't fall for the fakes. It's not me. I will never ask you for no cryptocurrency deposit unless I'm really fiending for money. I might ask you for a little $10 or something so I could buy some Chipotle. But that's really about it. If you want to learn how I trade, hit that link inside my bio. If you want to know what broker I use, there's a link for it inside the bio. If you want to be friends with me, DM me on Instagram. I'll be your friend for a $10,000 fee. Anyways, yo, good luck on all your trades. Good luck on all your crypto. Good luck on finding a friend that you don't have to pay for. Good luck on your crush finally noticing you. Anyways, good luck on life as a whole, man. And I'm going to see you on the next video.